After the Indonesian earthquake, the complete coverage by the media really brought it home to everybody in the world, the sheer horrific side to tsunami and the kind of death tolls that it can cause. In that particular case, it was about 225,000 people that died. It made us realize that the tsunami, the danger of tsunamis, is actually very, very real. The capsule really is the combination of some original thoughts and ideas, and I brought my work colleague in and showed him, and he thought, well, that's a pretty good idea. So we started putting pencil to paper and came up with some sketches and designs, and then it kind of laid to rest until Sendai, the Japanese tsunami and earthquake happened. And then we realized that we need to do something. So we went on from there and progressed the design until we had something that was offerable to the general public.
We start with a rolled round tube cage. It has a full penetration weld, so it's very solid. Then we take the two hemispheres, we put those on top of it. We weld the frame to the inside of the shell, the hemispheres, and we weld the hemispheres to each other around the center. It becomes a very watertight and very durable. From all of our analysis, general movement of waters in a tsunami at max are roughly around 23 to 25 miles an hour, which is how fast something would be traveling in it. Through our testing, we're going to definitely prove out that this will take a 25-mile-an-hour impact.
This is the prototype that has been designated Capsule 2, which will be, it's in its unpainted form, and it's going to be used for testing. What we're offering is something that's relatively lightweight, very strong, durable in thermal conditions, and she'll undergo an aerospace equivalent type test program. The object of this exercise is to really instill into the general public a level of confidence that this capsule can offer security in a very hostile environment, which is the tsunami wave. Modern day early warning systems can save anywhere up to 90% of the population. That final 10% are most likely going to perish. In a tsunami which is exposing 2.5 million people, which is more often the case, then that 10% becomes 250,000, and that's a large number. So in order to get that 10% down to say 1 or 2%, this is an option. The capsule you see behind me and the capsule in various sizes is an option when it comes to reducing that percentage. This capsule gives people more control over their survival. It gives them an option of having a security system on their own property, easily accessible at day or night. Really gives the family a safe security that they wouldn't otherwise necessarily have. This can provide, in a larger form, very, very rapid evacuation to safety. And that kind of security system hasn't been provided up to now.